What I would like to do is kind of go through the new course page with you a little bit and quickly discuss how I would plan out my time for the week. So like I wrote in the email, you have 10 weeks to do the course if you're taking the whole course. And so how can you kind of divide up your time to make sure you get that done? So when you first get to the course page, it's going to look like this, not with all this extra purple stuff, but that's just my screen. And what you're going to need to do is click here on modules, and it's going to take you to the beginning. And everybody has to start up here at the beginning. So this is a little video, and I'm trying not to go over the video, what's in this video here again. And this is an introduction to the course of how it's going to work. What I'm trying to do here is just show you that you see each unit is just in a whole tab, right? And it's not divided, it doesn't tell you what to do each day. It's just the whole unit is here. So you can see all your units. And if I was planning out, I would plan 1 week at a time and say, okay, I need to finish unit 1 in a week. And so you can't access it until you do the stuff up here, but you can see it, so you can still plan it out. So pre-assessment, introduction to unit 1, so I would kind of count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 things I need to do. And I would work backwards because the unit assessment, right, I would really give yourself the reward for Friday. So the unit assessment is going to be kind of my plan for Friday. And I started a little keynote thing here so I could drag these things onto my plan. This is taking a minute to go to my desktop. Let's get rid of some stuff. Okay, so here's this Unit 1 assessment, and I'm going to take this on Friday. And the reason I'm suggesting that this be something you do on Friday is because it'll give me time to look at what you're doing on Thursday. So on Thursday, well, you could kind of say, I'm going to do a practice test, concept map, and maybe the last couple things here. So this is a guess, right? There was 20 things, so we're at 19. 19 divided by 4. I'm going to have to do 4 or 5 things a day. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That looks pretty good. All right, so Thursday, I have my plan for Thursday. I'll have to make it a little smaller so we see Thursday. There we go. And then come back here. So I was up to here. So now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 things for Wednesday. I'm just going to do this all at once now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for Tuesday. And now we have Monday. And Monday might also, I think I might have copied something twice. Maybe this also has to be on Monday a little bit, but those things should go quicker. And this is not a must, right? I'm not telling you how to plan your time. The reason I don't make a daily schedule for students is because I don't know what you're doing, right? So I'm not telling anybody how. I think somewhere I'm going to have the wrong thing here. Nope, that was that. Maybe these are in order. Let's check. So I don't know what your day looks like, but I do know that if I was doing this, I wouldn't just start working. I would make a bit of a plan to say, how can I get all these things done? All right, so now, how long did that take me? All right, that's a little bit light. I need to brighten it up a little bit. Right, but you don't have to do this I'm doing it on my screen so you can see it. You can do it on a piece of paper. You can write it down, and then you can check these things off. And here's the cool thing: don't try to sit down and do it all at once. Right, work on a few things, take a break. So you can even say, my goal is I'm going to do those 2 things, break time. I'm going to do these 2 things, and then another break time. So you can even say Monday morning, lunch, after lunch, in the evening. But if you don't make a plan for yourself each week, it becomes really hard to get this done. So I hope you find this helpful as a way of planning and rewarding yourself for your hard work.